Tuna fish benefits. Unlocking the nutritional treasures of tuna fish, a seafood superstar. When it comes to seafood, tuna fish is a superstar in the culinary world. But beyond its delectable taste, tuna is packed with numerous health benefits that make it a valuable addition to your diet. Whether you prefer it fresh or canned, tuna fish offers a wide array of nutrients and potential advantages for your overall well-being. Rich source of high-quality protein. Protein is an essential component of a balanced diet, and tuna fish is a fantastic source. It's loaded with high-quality, lean protein that helps in muscle development, tissue repair, and overall growth. A 3-ounce serving of tuna provides roughly 20 grams of protein, making it a great option for those who are looking to increase their protein intake without the excess fat often found in other protein sources. Heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna, especially varieties like albacore and bluefin, is renowned for its omega-3 fatty acid content. These essential fats are known to promote heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids can lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. Including tuna in your diet can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Tuna is not just about protein and healthy fats. It also provides an array of essential vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of B vitamins like niacin, which supports a healthy metabolism, and vitamin B12, crucial for nerve function and red blood cell production. Tuna is also a great source of minerals such as selenium, which acts as a powerful antioxidant, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Weight management and metabolic support. The protein-rich and low-calorie nature of tuna makes it an excellent choice for weight management. It helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to overeat. Additionally, the metabolism-boosting properties of certain nutrients found in tuna can support your weight loss or maintenance goals. Cognitive benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids, which tuna is rich in, are known to have cognitive benefits. They may help enhance brain function and memory, and there's evidence suggesting that a diet rich in omega-3s could potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Protein for muscle health. For those who are physically active, tuna is an excellent choice due to its protein content. It aids in muscle repair and growth, making it a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Versatile and delicious. Tuna can be prepared in various ways to suit your taste. Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or simply as a sandwich filling, there are numerous ways to enjoy the flavor and benefits of tuna fish. A word of caution. While tuna offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Some types of tuna, particularly large, predatory species, can accumulate high levels of mercury, which can be harmful if consumed excessively. It's recommended to choose smaller tuna species, such as skipjack, for lower mercury content. In conclusion, tuna fish is not just a culinary delight but also a nutritional powerhouse. From promoting heart health to providing a rich source of essential nutrients, tuna offers a multitude of health benefits. However, it's important to be mindful of the type and quantity of tuna you consume to make the most of its advantages while minimizing potential risks. So, the next time you're looking for a delicious and nutritious addition to your plate, consider tuna fish, the seafood superstar that can boost your health and satisfy your taste buds.